Four things you must be keep in your mind while talking to another person, while delivering your thoughts in a PPT and the public speaking. The key point it's play a essential role while speaking, while conversation and another fields as well. Speaking English, it's not a big deal. Your clarity while talking to, while delivering, while demonstrate each and everything, your body language, your posture, your gesture, means your body should be gymnastics. This kinds of thing it's matter a lot. Namaste and good evening to all of you, and very delightful evening and Radhe Radhe. My name is Rupali Gupta, and in this video I'm going to tell about how to speak fluent without translating in your mother tongue. Actually, what happened, most of the people I saw, I can say with my real life example, the person who are belong to abroad country, Spanish of such as the person have, they knows about the Chinese, Spanish. You knows, all knows the English is an international and global language. Okay. So while translating to in your mother language, firstly you are starting to translate in your mother tongue, and then you are trying to speak. Earlier, I also was to do this thing, and now recently I watched a video, and it was more than 35 minutes video, and I gathered some informational things which is a cardinal, and my main motto to record this video to share about 3 to 4 point while talking you couldn't do this mistake. Video will be not very long because as I already watched the 35-minute videos, and I don't want you will invest your single second in this video. If you come here, definitely you will grab something. So now come on the point. We are talking about to how to speak fluent. First thing is, as I told you beforehand, don't try to translate in your mind. Second thing, we are using a very fancy words instead of in a can say simple word. Of the person, they are not going, they don't have a command of the fancy word. For example, I learned something. For example, I recently I watched a video how to be a fluent English speaking while translating in your mind, and I learned a 5 vocabulary. First vocabulary is gymnastic, which mean physical activity where your body is engaging. Second thing is drill. Drill usually used for the machine things and boring things. Yesterday I was doing something, and I forget drill is important, but it was second off in my mind. Third thing is rewiring in the sense change something. For example, I used to learn English, I rewiring my language. Now I am started to learn the Spanish language. Fourth one is retape in the very simple way, taping. Okay, cello taping. The fifth is validate usually used for the bank things, and they have a time, they have means something is important, and they have a validation is called. 5 vocabulary I learned. So while I use in very perfect way, I know I haven't any command about this 5 vocabulary because instantly I learn about the vocabulary, and instead of this word I can use rewiring, I can use rewriting, rechange, this kinds of word. If you know not any problem, you can easily use. Reason is that while talking to you, while talking to another person, your words should be clear, crisp, short, not too much short. Means you must be very good articulator, you must be have a splendid quality of the demonstrating in a presentation, in interview, and the public speaking. Even the audience always want the stage who perform the stage, he must be professional, and he must be speak, because you are a hope of millions of the audience. And if you started to fumble, then the audience, they are going to bored, they are not going to connect their story to you, they are not going to listen very carefully. Don't fumble a lot. If you thought you are muck up this thing, and the most important thing is you forget something and you are hesitation, just simply take a 1-2 minute pauses and then start again. Okay. And the one mistake the people do, they are going to learn English, any another additional language, speaking in alone, minor practices alone, and whatever the practice thing is needed, they are going to do in alone. They are do a half an hour, 1 hour. I'm not going to say it is totally wrong thing and it is not helpful. Exactly, it is help, but instead of do this thing 1 hour and you can do the 10-minute public speaking, they boost your confidence level. Just imagine 1 hour rather than half an hour. They in half an hour, 10 minutes, your confidence will be boost, and your clarity and your English skill, you also feel automatically the genuine person, confidence and without error, without thinking about too much grammar, your pronunciation, your the preposition and much more thing. You will not gonna to think about lot of things. You will speak it continuously without taking any pauses, without sound mumble. What happened? Even I also used to do, and in a present sometimes I also the scenario is happening, so I also started to do this thing because we are a student and I can see the student perspective. What happened? We are translating, and the most important thing is the most of the people do. 99% people who are learning is English, speaking English and starting, they do translating in mother language and then speak. It is totally bad thing. Exactly, if your starting is happening, so you can do, but try to be in your starting habit to build a good habit. So how impactful it will be, whatever you are trying to articulate, demonstrate it, create an imagination. When you start to create an imagination, so you will convey your thoughts, you will demonstrate each and every point. You are not gonna to take it off, covered it. For example, yesterday I went out for palconization. The Mehdi competition was happened. I went with my family member and the competition has been started, and I was the last candidate who participated at 5 p.m. and after that I won the second prize. It's not mean I reached there at 5 o'clock, sorry, 5 p.m., 5 o'clock. I was last candidate, last student, and after that I got selected. It's not mean I am a teacher and I am a associated with organization. I gave the prize, I got the prize because of my skills. I did a effort, I practiced before one day, and that is the reason I got second rank. Started to imagination. Yesterday I had dinner with my whole family, and the waiter came and he was started to shouting because his mentality was not too much good and he was educated idiot. Then everyone started to the waiter things and the hotel things, restaurant things. Means whatever you wanted to articulate, just try to image it, and then one by one you can easily to articulate. And thank you. I just hope you understood each and every point. And if you have any queries regarding to the fluent, how to be fluent without thinking, you can also DM me. I will try to next video about this thing. And in this video I'm going to end the conversation. It will be help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.